impressive and very surprising that they have AV room, e-library, mini zoo and an indoor beach. It's very innovative, and obviously kids really like it, and it's so different and innovative from other schools, and I wish I was a kid so I could just take a readmission.
It's a bagless school. You don't have to worry about the bag.
As an educationist, I always used to wonder कि बच्चों का stress कैसे कम किया जाए. So apart from this colorful event, I find कि इनकी जो 2 policies हैं, no bag policy and no homeworks and assessments. So let's see if they're able to implement it. I think 𝐼𝐻𝑠 is one of the unique early education systems. Best of luck, 𝐼𝐻𝑠.
With global approach to education, we have started Artist School at P.E.C.H.S. We believe that every child is an artist. Our mission is catalyzing core skills.